Alright everyone, in today's video, I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen on your Samsung A73 in case you forget your password or PIN. In a bit, I'll also talk about how you can remove your Google account if you need to, okay? In some cases, you'll need to connect a USB cable, but you don't need to download any software. It's just so the phone can enter recovery mode. Then, you'll go to the option I'll show you here for unlocking, alright? You can leave it on the screen where it's asking for the PIN, or on this screen here, which is the emergency screen. So on this emergency screen, you're going to press the volume down and power buttons together. When it restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up. When the brand name appears and stays on the screen, release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here so you can do it yourself and make it easier. Let's go. Volume down and power, hold them until it restarts. As we mentioned, just a few more seconds, keep holding, release the volume down and press the volume up. Pay attention to the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button at the top until it enters recovery mode. Once you get to this screen, I want to remind you that this procedure will also work for other Samsung models, so you can try it out. Now scroll down by pressing the volume down button to the fifth option, where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm with the power button. On the next screen, scroll down again and confirm once more. Let's wait for this process to finish so we can continue with the unlocking. Now confirm one more time and here your device is already being unlocked. You'll see it will restart and won't ask for any password or pattern on the home screen that you may have set on your device. If you need to unlock it from Google, your email and password, we can also do that unlocking even remotely from anywhere you are. You can get in touch and talk directly with me through the number that's in the video description or on the channel description, so you can ask your questions, clear up any doubts, and check the price for your unlocking. If this video helped you and within your means you can make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be there in the video description. It doesn't matter how much. What's important is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I helped you all. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.